Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix Disney Plus app not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, you have to access your app store to see whether if your app is updated or not. Go ahead, go up and type in Disney Plus and search it up. Now right there you can see we have open instead of update. That means our app is perfectly updated and there is no problem with that. Afterwards, if you're still trying to open it up and if it's still not working, then for that matter you have to access the settings of your phone and go ahead, go to search bar and type in storage. And here in this section you're gonna scroll and find your particular Disney Plus app. Tap on show all right over there, and now here in the section you're going to simply tap on this option of offload app. Tap on offload. This will simply remove the unnecessary storage that it was holding up, removing all the cache files, and that way your app will sufficiently work without any reoccurring errors. So now we can simply open it up and you can simply choose to again reinstall the app. That way also it will help, and you can simply add in your credentials and use it accordingly and it will simply work out. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.